Here's a short video to show you how to import applications from Filogix Expert into Filogix Expert Pro. To start, go to your applications and click Import Applications in the top right. If this is your first time importing your applications, you'll need to enter your Filogix Expert credentials. Enter your firm code, Filogix Expert login ID, a license registration number if you have one, and your Filogix Expert profile number. The eye icons provide information about where to find these details if you're unsure. Once you're finished, click on Submit Details. Select whether you want to import all applications, import by date range, or import a single deal before clicking Import Now. If you have the same account email address in Filogix Expert as in Filogix Expert Pro, your applications will be imported instantly. If your email address in Filogix Expert and Filogix Expert Pro are different, you'll receive a verification code by email. Enter the code and click Verify Email and Import Now. Within a few seconds, you'll see all of your applications from Filogix Expert appear in your application section. You might need to refresh your page. That's how to import your applications from Filogix Expert into Filogix Expert Pro.